Hey guys, today I will show you how to get to the training area in Monster Hunter World. Go to your room, which is next to the big boat where the story meetings happen at the very back of the main area. Once there, speak to the housekeeper that is right next to the item box. Talking to this palico will give you multiple options. Select Go to Training Area from here. This way, you'll be able to access the training area. Inside, you'll find practice dummy pole and a large open space to try out movement, dodging, and weapon combos. You can also adjust or change your equipment here to test different weapons. Quick tip, this time bomb barrels are great for practicing parries, counters, and dodges for weapons that has a counter mechanic. And that is how to get to the training area in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.